To Math 350. My name is Dale Hurley. I'll be your instructor for this fall term in 2020. What I wanted to do today is I wanted to take you through the steps that I expect you to do to get onto our Canvas page. First thing you want to do is you'll see that I'm on the PA Net Andover website. I'm going to click on Canvas. This will take me to my dashboard. Once I'm at my dashboard, I will click on, in this case, my 350 class. You might be in the 4th period class or the 8th period class. I'm going to go ahead and click on the 4th period class because both of the Canvas pages look very similar. Once I get to the Canvas page, there's a couple of things that I want you to do before you come to class. First, I want you to read through the syllabus. Click on this link, read through all of the stuff on the syllabus as it pertains to you. If you have any questions, this is a great time. You can ask them in the first class because we'll have a chance to go over those. After you've read through the syllabus, go back to your page, and then I want you to take a look at the calendar. The calendar is something that I'm going to update on a weekly basis. Right now I have it up through the first 3 weeks. And you'll see what the topic is, plus you'll see the task assigned. This is where most of your focus will be. You'll know the date, you'll know it's assigned, and then you want it completed by a certain day. These tasks will have the date that they're due here. Another thing that you can do, I haven't posted it yet, is you can also go to your Canvas calendar, which is over here. You can click on that, and that'll have the assignments up as well. Those will be posted. However, on the Canvas calendar, I will only post them on the day that they're due. Now, one of the things that you're going to see on the Canvas calendar when you see an assignment due is you're going to see day 1 due. Well, this is the other way that we can go ahead. There's a couple of ways that we can navigate through our day-to-day. I can go to my modules where I could go to week 1, and it gives me my module for the first day. I can click on this and it'll take me to a Canvas page, which is day 1 unit circle. I can also go to, if I don't want to go through the modules, I can go through and just look right here on day 1. And I can click on that link, and that'll take me to day 1 as well. And then there's a third way I can get to day 1. This is the way that I prefer you do it. You just go to your calendar, and you click on day 1. Now, when you get to day 1 in Unit Circle, you should notice that step 1 is something that needs to be done prior to class meeting, to our synchronous meeting. So in this particular case, you should go after you get done watching this video and watch these 3 videos right here. These all pertain to the topics that will be introduced in class on the first day of class. Step 2, this is a part where you want to go to the synchronous class. This particular class, period 4, is going to be on September 14th from 1 to 1:45 p.m. At 1 o'clock, if you're in this class, you click on this Zoom. Before you click on that Zoom, you probably want to highlight this because this is going to be your passcode. But you click on this and it'll take you straight to the Zoom link. If I click on this, open Zoom, then once you open Zoom, it'll ask you for a password. When it asks for the password, then you can go ahead and you can go back and start the class. During that class, I have an outline of topics right here, so you're probably going to want to go to the Zoom and then also have this page opened up so we can go through all the topics that we're going to hit that day in class. Once the class is over, you're going to want to go to WebAssign, and you'll see here there's a class key code. Usually when I get to this point here, I open up a second, or I'll take a picture of this, or I'll write this class key code down on a piece of paper, because when I click on this right here, it's going to take me to the WebAssign, Cengage WebAssign, and it's going to say enter class key. I click on that, and then whatever I wrote down, I'm going to have to type in here, here, and here. You can take a picture of it. If you have photographic memory, you'll memorize it, whatever. But then you go ahead and hit assignment 1, get the assignment done prior to the next time we meet in class. Now, there's going to come a point where you're going to have questions that are outside of class and you're not going to be able to contact me directly. there's an asynchronous way of contacting me, and that would be through the discussion board. On the first day, I actually want everybody to go to the discussion board and tell me and your classmates who you are, tell us one thing you're looking forward to this term, and then lastly, I want you to go ahead and give us any kind of questions that you have on the homework that were presented for that particular night. I will go and I will look at this. I will go and check on the discussion board on a regular basis, and I expect other students to check on the discussion board too. If you find something's written on the discussion board where you know the answer, answer it. If you don't and you have further questions, go ahead and ask those questions. Every week we'll have a new discussion board, so once this week is done, then we'll download it and we'll go from there. Step 5 is once you've done all these steps, you're going to want to go to day 2. On day 2, you're going to want to watch all these videos. Now it looks like a lot, but they're 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I try to make the videos very short so you can go through them really quickly. It's about 35 minutes. Set aside that time so you can go ahead and watch all the videos before you come to class the next day. All right, but you're going to want to complete step 1 before you come to class, before you come to the synchronous session. Okay. Go back. Oops, let's go to, on the bottom here, you're going to see that there's some optional stuff. If you're done, great. If you want to go back and review a little bit, I put these two here so you can click on them. This is an outline and this is a PowerPoint presentation. There are a lot of pages on this, but it's written really large and very easy to see. If you want to just do a quick review, this is stuff taken right from the textbook, so you can use that. Okay? That's it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class. Remember, go to this page and watch these videos before you come to class on either Tuesday or Monday. Whichever, if you're in 8th period, then you're going to be here on Tuesday. If you're here for the 4th period, then I'll see you on Monday. Thanks and goodbye.